Hey you guys, it is I, your very own Amaru, and I'd like to welcome you to a different episode of Food and the Single Guy. I'll explain in a second. You see, today I am making something that is so traditionally Caribbean, and whenever I have a craving for these things, I call my mom and I ask her to make them for me. However, she gave me the recipe many moons ago and I never, ever tried to make these myself until today. On the other hand, I have to admit that I was too chicken shit to film the whole thing because I didn't want to look like a schmagaggy on YouTube, okay? Because this is the first time that I'm ever making these Johnny cakes as they're known in certain parts of the Caribbean. So I must say that I'm very impressed. They turned out quite nice, even if I say so myself. So I did shoot some video, which I will be including for you in a second. I may do a proper video soon because traditionally they stuff these with salted fish or cheese or, any other topping that you might like. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Okay, so if you're from the Caribbean islands or the northern parts of South America, you will know that these are Johnny cakes, okay, also known as fried bake or floats. And honey, this is the first time that I've ever made them. When I have a craving for them, I always go to my mom's, but she gave me the recipe years ago and I decided to try them today. And baby, let me tell you, you don't know my Johnny cakes like I know my Johnny cakes. Okay, so let me go and have some Johnny cake, baby.